Hello YouTube, Spikey here. So today I am bringing you guys another unboxing. It hurts to crouch like this, so I'm just going to go over here and just start the fucking thing. Right, so as you can see, I have got the Elgato Stream Deck Mini. Let's open this cunt up. So the box is nice and sleek. It's a triangular design. Gonna read the box. So there's 6 customizable LCD keys, all touchable. Turn keys into folders to access unlimited actions. No more anti-tabbing, focus on your audience. Configure hotkeys for system control. Personalize your keys with custom icons and choose from hundreds. Instantly adjust audio, switch scenes, launch media, and much more. So, I did buy it for 70 quid. Pretty cheap, if I don't say so myself. So, the box is actually really nicely well done. So at the top here you have the little whatever that is, and then a little manual. So a little manual. It's pretty cool. Right, the Stream Deck itself is actually a lot smaller than I thought. So for example, this is my phone. Can't quite know what it is at the moment, but this is the size comparison of it against my phone. Yeah. Here are all the 6 buttons. And that's literally all that's in the package. So I'm going to go over to the PC now. Well, over to my room, and let's set this thing up. First, here's some hill farm. So the last tech video was this keyboard and mouse. Now we have the Stream Deck to add to the setup. So it is really small. And so the Stream Deck, I think I'm going to put right there. Let's plug it all in. Right, hello. So now we're over on the PC. Here's the website where you can go and get all of the icons for your Stream Deck. But here is the actual Stream Deck software. So I'm just going to set this so that, oh boom, that looks good. There's OBS, here we go, OBS Studio. So I'm going to put it as record and stream at the top. And stream. They're looking sexy. And then right down here at the bottom, I'm going to have a new scene there, and then I'm going to do, so here is start. Here is BRB. And then right in the middle, I'm gonna have the main. Right, so they're looking all sexy. Let's go back. I might put that one in the middle actually. Here I might put YouTube. So to do that you have to go to System, Website, I'm going to delete all of that actually because it's going to have an icon of YouTube. And then I need to go and get my URL. Right, so now I want to press that. It will pop up that. Let's get it to open that. This one can open Minecraft. But I'm playing a lot of Skyrim at the moment, so I might just get it to open Skyrim. Steam, bucket, there you go, Steam. Boom, we have our Stream Deck, and that has been the video. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, hit the like button if you did enjoy. Yeah, see you in the next video.
It's a single for the summer, I got your cover. They wanna ask about my numbers, fuck where you come from. Them hoes be sneaky, baby, come on, I never trust them. I got the spot going up, yeah. I'm in these streets just like a runner, I'm on some other. You see me starting, I be ducking and fucking busting. I'm busting heads, yo, I be killing. Y'all feel be illin'. Yellow bikinis in Tahiti, them look like Riri. I build that seaweed
for the summer.